Houston, we have a problem.
I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing.
What is the plan?
How do we best solve this?
Is I created a framework for problem solving.
Let's break it down.
One step at a time.
First.
What do we know?
Second.
So what's holding you back?
Third.
Well, what is your goal? Fourth.
Gain? What would I gain?
Fifth.
We need more power!
Sixth.
I know there are risks involved. Serious risks.
Seventh.
A mission you should understand in your bones.
And last, but not least.
Take action. Take action.
How do we get started?
Download.
Progress.
Framework.
Canvas.
You just follow a few basic steps.
It's easy.
Problem solved.
What are you waiting for? Let's get started.